What made God take so much care to make creation glow? He could have made it black and white, and we'd have never known. And what made God send Jesus to die on Calvary? Of course it was this joyous thing I feel inside of me. That's the love of God, it's never ending. That's the love of God, always forgiving. Always there, He never fails. All He will do is love forever, and He loves to share. That's the love of God. He can change our family. He's already changed the world. Jesus brings it to our heart, even spanner is unfurled. And once you start to share it in His precious name, you're glad to see your view of life will never be the same.